At this point, I feel like nobody knows what's going on in any orientation possible. Because it's like, there's going to be a fan edition, there's not going to be a fan edition. Samsung themselves have denied the allegations of a fan edition. I don't know why we're still talking about a fan edition. Like, there's going to be an Ultra, yes, we know that. There's going to be 2 iterations, but Samsung has already denied any talk about a cheaper model. But now there's talks about a cheaper Z Flip model, which actually makes a lot of sense, to be honest. Like, that actually makes a lot of logical sense because Motorola has 2 different iterations of their flippable cell phone. So why would, Samsung not do the same? Like, this makes perfect sense. You could literally just relaunch the Galaxy Z Flip 4, upgrade it with a processing unit, and release the same housing and everything, and just say Z Flip 6 Fan Edition. And a lot of people would buy it because there's still a lot of people who rock the Galaxy Z Flip 4 till today, right? So you could literally just relaunch the Galaxy Z Flip 4, updated processor, maybe updated cameras, same housing. They could literally just take all the inventory of Z Flip 4s they have still, take them apart, salvage the parts, and put out a fan edition. Probably save them so much money for doing that. So yeah, again, it's very possible they end up doing that. We'll have to wait and see. But the whole fan edition of the Z Fold series, again, other than Samsung, saying to themselves that they're not going to do it, it really didn't make sense anyway. Like, the Ultra makes sense because you're going to get a, overpowered version of the Z Fold 6. But for a fan edition, it would have to be in a ballpark range of like $1,400. And at that point, it's still too expensive for the average consumer. And even then, there's just no point. So, a Z Flip 6 fan edition makes a lot more sense than this. But we'll have to wait and see what ends up happening. There also might be a Z Flip 7 fan edition. Oh, wow. Okay, so now we're kind of continuing it next year. Yeah, July can't come soon enough, guys. We're going to find out more information in July. But I'll see you guys next one.